You probably have this itch or urge to start playing piano, and that's why you clicked on this video. And after this burst of motivation that you get from watching a piano video, it's usually accompanied by a sense of despair because reality sort of kicks in and you realize that you probably will never be able to get to it. And there's usually two reasons for that. The first is not having enough time, and the second is just not knowing where to start. But I don't think those two reasons have any merit to stop someone from actually learning how to play. Once you get past that initial resistance, you'll see that you feel so good about yourself, and it's actually not as hard as you think. I've experienced this with learning piano, guitar, and music production. So today I want to show you my mindset and how I approach learning these new things and doing the things that I've always wanted to do. Time, of course, is always an issue. You have a family, you have a job, you have bills to pay, and you can't just put an hour aside of your busy schedule to piano. But I want you to think about why you want to play piano in the first place and who are you doing it for? Throughout the day, you're probably working, you're taking care of your family, but are you taking care of yourself? Learning piano is something you do completely for yourself. It's something that gives you a sense of calm, a boost of confidence, and it gives you an outlet for self-expression. So think about piano as a tool for self-care. It's something that you do for yourself, something that makes you feel good about yourself. So the 20 minutes that you put aside every single day is worth gold, because taking care of yourself is not only good for you, but also good for your family and for your future. So again, if piano is something that will elevate your life, then do it. You may have to make some sacrifices like waking up a little bit earlier or watching less TV, but at the end of the day, taking care of yourself is the most important thing for yourself and your future, but also your family. So the next resistance pitfall is not knowing where to start. And I get it. I learned everything I know on YouTube, like piano and guitar, music production. There are so many videos trying to get your attention and to watch, and a lot of them are pretty bad. So I will link a few videos in the description to help you out, to gear you to the right direction with piano. Another solution is getting an actual teacher, but if that's not an option, if that's too expensive or you just don't have time for that, you could buy an online course. And I've never bought an online course for piano, but I did buy one for guitar and music production, and to be honest, it kind of sucked. So make sure that when you buy a course, it's by someone that you trust. Speaking about courses, I have a course that's completely free. I have only room for 5 students who are actually serious about learning how to play piano. So if you really want to learn, go check the description and apply for a spot in this course. This course isn't just videos for you to follow along. It's pretty interactive. You're going to be in contact with me the whole entire time, and twice a month you'll have an actual session with me online where I give you feedback and we talk about your goals and we figure it out together. So if you're interested in that, go check the link below.